back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, my name is Charlotte, and welcome to my channel. I do DIY videos, lifestyle videos, challenges, and a whole bunch of fun random videos. So I hope you stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and be part of the Glam Squad. So today's video, I'm showing you guys some DIY birthday ideas because my birthday is coming up, and I know there's other people's birthdays coming up. So I thought this idea was perfect. So if you're having a birthday party, or if you want to be extra for your birthday, stay tuned. And also comment down when's your birthday. So before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into it.
So, starting off our birthday age line, you're going to need a foam poster board, and you're going to trace out your age you're turning. You can also use a ruler. I just used my 2.5 for my 21st birthday, and I'm just tracing that down with a pencil. I trace my tooth, I'm just going to go back over it with a pencil and just fill in the lines that I missed and just going back over it. Okay, so since I'm turning 22, I decided to use Taylor Swift 22 song lyrics. So I'm writing filling inside my tooth with a black marker. You don't have to do this, or if you want to, you can write anything you want inside. And some glitter and some clear glue. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to draw in the clear glue inside the letters. Make sure you put a lot in there. And then I'm just going to put the glitter inside the letter. Then I'm just going to dump the excess out. And it should look like this. Then you're going to do the other letters. I just fill it in with the glue. You're just going to fill it in with the glue. And make sure you get a lot so the glitter will stick to the glue. And make sure there's no holes. I'm going to add the glitter inside the letter. The excess. Then you're just going to continue to do all the letters and glue all the letters. This is the finished product when you glitter all the letters. So cute, so sparkly. Now I'm just adding glue to the parts that I missed. I'm just going to put glitter over the white parts. So you cannot see the white parts, just covering that up with the glitter. And I'm just continuing to just put glue all over the parts you can see and putting glitter over it. So you just want to make sure that you're covering up the letters with glitter and glue. Just keep on doing that until it's filled with glitter. You can see no white. Okay, now we're going to work on the other side and make paper flowers. So I'm just cutting down 3 strips. And then 3 squares. Then I'm folding them down. And with the scissors, I'm going to make flowers, flower design. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just going to go with the scissors and go like in circular motions. Then you're going to shape your flower. I use a pencil to form the shape in the middle. It's much easier that way. And then you're just gonna use the hot glue gun down the middle. And you're just gonna press that down. And keep on forming it in the shape of a flower. We will also need some fake flowers as well. Okay, so we're going to continue making our flowers. I forgot to tell you guys you can use tissue paper to make these flowers, paper flowers. And I'm just going to place them on the board, the hot glue gun. And I'm just going to press it down tightly. And so I'm just continuing putting my flowers down the board with the hot glue gun, and make sure there's no spaces in between. You can see no white. More flowers on my sign. You can do the whole sign if you want to, but I just did half of the sign. I did some at the top and some at the bottom. And this is how it looks. So cute. This is how I wanted it to be. And some clear glue to cover up the white part. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use the clear glitter and to put it all over the white part. I'm dumping a whole lot in, and I'm just smearing it into the board. I want all of it to be, all the white part filled with clear glue. And I'm just dumping more, and I'm just smearing that. Make sure I get it all. Make sure I'm covering up all the white. Okay, then I'm just gonna get my glitter and I'm just gonna pour it all over that glue. We want that white part to be filled with the glitter, be so sparkly. We want to be extra on our birthday. Then after you finish, you want to dump all the excess in a paper bag. Save that glitter for later. And you can see that I got some holes, the white part. So I'm just gonna go over that with my glue, because we do not want to see that. So I'm just smearing my glue. Then I'm just gonna add my glitter on top of that, covering all the white part. And adding more glitter. I'm gonna do the middle part of just smearing the glue again. I'm just covering up all the white part. Do the same thing I did to the front part. The top part. And then adding the glitter to that. I think we're done. So cute and so glam. Here's how the other side looks. Oh, I love it. I love how it turned out. And this is how it looks all together. I'm in love. Now we're gonna make the sash, and all you need is some sticker letters, some glitter, some spray adhesive, and a blank sash. So now you're just gonna spread out the letters that you want to say on your sash, and I'm just gonna spray adhesive that, spread the adhesive on the letters. And then I'm just gonna put glitter, pour glitter all over it. This is so simple, so easy to do. And now I'm just gonna spray some more and pour glitter on the letter. Then I'm just gonna take the sticker off and I place it on the sash. And I forgot to iron my sash, so make sure you iron your sash before you put the letters on. Okay, so now since I'm the birthday queen, I'm going to spray some more adhesive on the letters that I want. And you can put in any word that you want in your sash. But I'm just going with birthday queen. And then I'm just going with the glitter again. all over the spray adhesive. And make sure you put this on something so the spray adhesive won't stick onto your floor or table, whatever. And then make sure you just take off the excess glitter. And now I'm just placing the queen on my sash. Okay, the stickers was not sticking, so I had to glue them with a hot glue gun and just stick them on. So if your stickers are not sticking, just use hot glue. This also prevent them to not fall off your stash anyway. And there you have it. So cute and so extra for your birthday.
For watching. I hope you like these ideas. If you want to see more DIYs from me, make sure you subscribe and like this video. So you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at GlamorousTray. And don't forget to comment down when's your birthday. And always remember, be yourself and have fun doing it. Catch you guys next time. Bye.
What you feeling? Nothing's going right. Why don't you let me stop?